Hello everyone, welcome to Print Smart Help. Is your HP printer not printing, even though it's connected? Don't worry, this video will help you fix it step by step. We'll go through quick and easy solutions to get your printer working again in minutes. And if you need expert help, you can call us at 1-888-765-0492. So here's the issue. Your printer is connected, but it's not printing. Or your documents are stuck in the print queue. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check printer connection. First, make sure your printer is properly connected. Check if your printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Restart your router and printer. Try using a USB cable if needed. A simple reconnect often solves the issue. Step 2. Set as default printer. Now, set your printer as default. Open Control Panel. Go to Devices and Printers. Right-click your HP printer. Click Set as Default Printer. If another printer is set as default, your jobs won't print. Step 3. Clear print queue, important. This is one of the most common fixes down finger. Open Devices and Printers. Double-click your HP printer. Open the print queue. Click Cancel all documents. Restart your printer. Stuck print jobs can block new print commands. Step 4. Check ink and paper. Next, check basic hardware issues. Replace low or empty ink cartridges. Remove any paper jam carefully. Make sure paper is loaded correctly. Even a small jam can stop printing completely. Step 5. Update or reinstall drivers. Outdated drivers can cause printing problems. Visit HP support website. Download the latest printer drivers. Install or reinstall the printer software. This ensures your printer works properly with your system. Step 6. Run printer troubleshooter. Windows users can use built-in tools. Go to Settings. Click Troubleshoot. Select Printer. Run the troubleshooter and follow steps. It automatically detects and fixes common issues. If your HP printer is still not printing, don't worry, we're here to help. Call now, 1-888-765-0492. Speech Balloon or follow Print Smart Help for more printer solutions.